Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, as you know, I broke my ankle a couple 3 months ago, and I'm still going through physical therapy. I'm still, it's just a long road. I pulverized it pretty good. They had to put all the pieces back together, and I got a ton of metal in there, and I'm gonna be the titanium man pretty soon. But anyway, that's not a good thought or look. Let's not go there. I have enough titanium in me to last a lifetime, and in fact, if you want to rob my grave when I'm dead, it could be well worth your while. Anyway, I took up painting because I need an outlet. I need a creative outlet, and I can't run around through ruins and zip around the hill towns and do videos right now. I will be doing them in the next week or two, though. I mean, I have to get out and about, and they're telling me, look, get up off your butt and start moving. But the painting thing has been a lot of fun. Now, thanks to everybody on YouTube who's ever done an instructional painting video or drawing, perspective, color, any of those things. Thank you, because I've learned so much from you guys. And it's very inspiring to see all you guys and your works of art that are just unbelievably beautiful. Anyway, I'm putting some pieces up in Casa Cristina, so it's another reason for you to come over and stay with us in Casa Cristina. The booking site will be up very, very shortly. We're just now, tomorrow, getting the furniture in, and it's very exciting. So I hope to see you guys this summer. Really, really hope to see you in Casa Cristina, and you can meet all of the gang. You can meet Bonnie, you can meet our mayor, you can meet Antonello, you can meet everybody there in Santa Domenica at Casa Cristina. So hope to see you guys this summer. We'll see you soon.